السلام عليكم أصحاب نكسر كجوتي الجديد صاحبكين جراناني فضنا تكسر طاي يوتيوب كي سبسكرايب لايك اند شير اوكي I'm good قالنا معنا هاي مانت ير ادي باسكت بول حريف كو لكنني مساكين وكبو معو كلا وتا يس اي نو حريف كلا ما هايو معو دونا صاحب باسكت بول كما كل عيار كلا اوكي نو بروبلم دا صاحبك وماها والله تورا باسكت بول كسر مركيسة وصوق قلا محو أركا كبيه صاحب محكو دا عمل كو مع حيرنتا يس ينو مدة كلام كويدي سايز كذا 100 عمل صاحب كلام حولي I don't know هدي هتا سايز كي هتا اوكي I'm good قالنا داو شو ناكسن صاحب إلى فير صدر.
What's up, guys? I'm Derek Diso, and right now I'm at a basketball court watching a very talented kid play basketball. So he comes out here 3-4 hours a day playing basketball, constantly trying to get better and better and better. And I heard that he doesn't have the proper basketball shoes, so I wanted to come out here, check out his shoes, see what he had, check out his game, see if he's actually really good. And a lot of you guys don't know this, but I used to play basketball myself. So I'm gonna go see if he wants to play me one-on-one, and if he beats me, I'm gonna buy him some basketball shoes. Let's go meet him. What's up, bro? Can I shoot with you?
Yeah.
Cool. What's up, man? I'm Derek, bro. How you doing? Good, good. What's your name? Dupree? That's cool, man. I'm filming a video for my YouTube channel. And I heard that you got basketball skills, but I heard you were hooping in some shoes that ain't quite right for the court. Those are your hooping shoes?
Yeah.
Are those two different shoes?
Yeah.
Oh, shit.
محالي صوت الماميشة أنا باسكت بول عيارتي أو تالنت في عينه هي مكاس هوسو فيرين كواس محاوى كواس أو كالنوع شو سايس مية أما يا شيء كذا سويدي مركو جوابه ما قرأتين نوصي وضع.
Are they the same size or no?
I don't think so.
No? All right. Well, shit. Are you good?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. How about this? How about if you could score on me, I'll go buy you some new shoes from Foot Locker.
All right.
Is that cool?
Yeah.
هذا يقدر دليسيد أنا هذا بسلب بحنا كوع عصب بقوس وكذا ديار بقطع. Yeah, that's cool. Okay, نوصي وضع نقص عطا شيء كذا.
All right. Let's try it. Come on. It's been a long time since I hooped, so.
ما هو رأي قدام باسكت بول إنه هود جري هود محاوى قفم ككتوري. بنوصي وضع ونقص عطا.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, it's me. Oh yeah. Ooh. Jesus. Ah. Oh yeah. Oh no. Oh my God. Oh Jesus. All right, here we go. So the first point wins. So if you score on me first, you can have the shoes, right?
All right.
Here we go.
كان كوات هذا يقدر دليسيد. كوا هذا والله نوصي وضع ونقص عطا.
Don't give me too. I can shoot. Don't give me too much space. Ah! Oh yeah. I toss. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Ah! Good point.
Yes. Finally. Finally, والله بالله وفرح وجهه. أنت وجهه إنه فرح. Keep going, man. Let's go.
All right, guys. So he scored 1-0.
First one, 3?
Yeah. Nah. I can't do it. I can't breathe. Let's go shopping. So these are his new shoes that he picked. The Giannis's, what are they called? Employee of the month. That's what they're called by Giannis.
كوا آدي قرح بدن دورتي ما يعود محاوى employ the month. نوصي وضع نقص عطا.
So all I want is for you to autograph these shoes, sign them for me to Derek Diso. So when you make it to the NBA, you know, say I can have something to remember you. Say, you know what? I know that kid.
فضلا مع كعصنا يا كواهن كوب قضي ما أنا كوي هراء حرنت حيقول إكتا مجعي ساقوس وحسوسته مركا هر مركا أجارتي noo sii wad waan ugu socotaa.
To Derek Diso from Dupree, number 2. Number 2 starting guard for the Lakers in about 5 years.
So I really appreciate it, though. I got you.
All right, so you practice for what, 2 hours, 3 hours?
Yeah, I practice for like 3 to 4 hours.
3 to 4 a day?
Yeah.
Every day?
maxaa la weydiiyey adiga meeqa jeeraa practice sameysa camal 2 beri ama 3 beri waxaa u dhahay 24 hours maxaa sameeya practice. Wow, saaxiibka wuxuu leeyahay wow saas noo sii wad waan ugu socotaa.
So let me get this straight. You play basketball for 2-3 hours,
Yeah.
and then you walk home 3 miles?
Yeah. Yeah. I just want to get better, so I have to do what I have to do.
Jeez. Okay, so why don't you just call your mom and dad to pick you up after practice?
Because like I don't really have a phone, and like since I'm up there by myself.
waqtiga oo practice-ka ma ka dhameysid ma hooyada wacay meesha ka lugeeda la taraafo ma qabo dhaa saaxiibo saas daraadeed maxaan ku qasbanahay inaan lugeeyo noo sii wad waan ugu socotaa.
Nobody else is there, so I can't borrow anything else. So I don't.
We're at Best Buy right now. He don't have a phone, so we're gonna get him an iPhone 11.
Okay oo dhahay maxaa joognaa Best Buy joognaa hadda meeshaan taraafo ka gada ka taa camal. Let's go camal. Let's go.
That's cool?
Yeah.
Cool with 11?
Are you sure, bro?
I'm positive. Yeah.
I got you, bro.
Now you have your iPhone, so you can call your parents after practice. You got the shoes. There's no reason why you can't go to the NBA, get signed, and play with LeBron, right?
Yes, sir. Thank you, Dad, man. I really appreciate it. I'm gonna make you proud. I'll remember you, bro. Thank you for everything.
adigii fiirsaay Drisle adigii fiirsaay KCK fadlan try to do the same like this guy intaasaan iga codsaa peace.